Hello friends, this is Deepak Chacha and I welcome you all to another new session in Deepak's Kitchen. Today now I'm going to show you a beautiful recipe, and that's authentic Mangalore style masala fish fry recipe. This recipe is a perfect combination of a tangy and spicy flavors that will leave your taste buds craving for more. This dish is very famous in this Mangalore region, loved by locals and tourists alike. The recipe uses a unique blend of spices which gives it an intense and irresistible flavor. If you are a seafood lover like me and looking to add a spicy twist to your regular fish fry, this recipe is for you. So without much of it, let's see how this yummy recipe is made. Let's see first how to marinate the fish. For this I have taken nearly half a kg of fresh chicken which has sliced like this. The most important thing is I have washed this thoroughly for 3 to 4 times using some salt. You can see how perfect it has been washed, and the main important thing is you need to slice the fish nearly half an inch thick, so then only you will get a perfect fry results. So let's keep this aside. I have pat it dry, and in this I'm going to add a 1 lime juice, half a teaspoon of turmeric, sprinkle everywhere, and a half a teaspoon of salt. A very basic marination it is. The first marination is a very basic one. So what you need to do is, after this you just need to massage both sides. Perfect. Now let it rest for about 10 minutes, not more than that. And now we'll see how to make the secret masala. For this I have taken nearly 15 Bedgi chilies. I have soaked it for about 3 hours in a warm water. So what will this do is, it will soften up the chilies and it will give a beautiful red color to the masala. I will strain this and come. So here I am adding nearly 1.5 tablespoons of coriander seeds, that's dhania, half a teaspoon of jeera, cumin, nearly half a teaspoon of black peppercorns, you can adjust according to your heat, and 3 cloves. This is an optional one, but I insist you add this, it will give a distinctive flavor, and 1 inch of ginger, and 1 whole pods of garlic cloves, and salt as per taste. And now the most important thing is the tamarind juice. I'm going to adding nearly 3 tablespoons of it. And what we need to do is, for this we'll, without adding a water, we'll make a fine paste of it. Now the secret masala which no hotels will reveal, I'm going to show you that one. This is the secret masala which we are using to make this fish fry. So let's keep this aside. Here we took all the marinated fish. To this I'm going to apply little masala on the both sides, not to add too much, that's very important. Perfect. Now let it rest for about 2 or 3 minutes is more than enough. Here I have taken a heavy bottom griddle. It should be like this, and in this let it heat completely. The most important thing is a perfect virgin coconut oil. I have taken nearly 2 tablespoons of it and allow this to heat. Perfect. The oil is now nice and hot. Add the marinated fish pieces one by one. Be very careful while adding the fish. And now cook on 2 minutes for this side. After 2 minutes, just flip the fish and cook for another 2 minutes on the other side. it requires a little bit of a oil, so that's the reason I made nearly a 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Perfect. It has been cooked nice and good all the way through. So I'll take the fishes out. Now the fish is done and ready. Let's make the secret process, that's frying the masala. So I have added all the remaining masala into the same tawa. Make an incision and I will add in that nearly a 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. And a little bit of curry leaves. Don't skip the curry leaves. This will give a beautiful taste to the recipe. And now you need to roast the masala until the masala loses its raw smell. That's very important. You will eventually know the color of the masala has been turned and the raw smell of the masala is also gone, and it's oozing out its nice aroma, the curry leaves aroma, everything is coming good, but it's little thicker. So I'm going to add little bit of a water and again I'm going to mix and make it a nice fry. Perfect. I'll side this and add little bit of a coconut oil. In this we'll add somewhat of a curry leaves and take some more of a masala separately, and then I'm going to roast that masala so that it gets beautiful roasty taste. And in this I'm going to add nearly 3 slices of fried completely cooked fish. Look here, the important thing is the fish is cooked all the way through, the masala is cooked to a perfection. Now what we are doing is we are infusing the masala and the fish together. This is the secret process which the hoteliers doesn't tell you, that this is how the Mangalore style, authentic Mangalore style masala fish fry is made. Look at this, what a color, what a beautiful process, yet very easy. The main trick lies is using a coconut oil, that's very important, and using tamarind. All the secret lies in the masala, how we made it. So I have shown exactly what the secret ingredients and what all the process goes in and how to make the 2 marinations, and there you have it. The delicious and spicy Mangalore style masala fish fry recipe is ready to be devoured. This recipe is perfect for any occasions and is sure to be a crowd pleaser. I hope you guys like this video. If so, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Till next time, Deepak Kshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara.